Hi students, today we are discussing about the topic planes. First of all, the synopsis of the planes are: general equation of plane is ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0. It is a linear equation in x comma y comma z. Next, the equation of plane passing through origin is ax plus by plus cz is equal to 0. Equation of plane passing through x1 comma y1 comma z1 is a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1 is equal to 0. Here where a, b, c are the dr of the plane. Next, normal form. Normal form of the plane equation is Lh plus My plus Nz is equal to P, where P is the perpendicular distance to the plane from the origin. L, M, N are the DCs of the normal to the plane. It is also can be written in the form of a by root of a square plus b square plus c square into x, b by root of a square plus b square plus c square into y, plus c by root of a square plus b square plus c square into z is equal to minus d by root of a square plus b square plus c square, where d less than or equal to 0. If d greater than or equal to 0, the normal form of the equation is minus a by root of a square plus b square plus c square into x, minus b by root of a square plus b square plus c square into y, minus c by root of a square plus b square plus c square into z equal to d by root of a square plus b square plus c square. By the both equations, we can write the perpendicular distance to the plane from the origin P equal to mod d by root of a square plus b square plus c square. Next, the perpendicular distance from x1 comma y1 comma z1 to the plane ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0 is mod ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus dy root of a square plus b square plus c square. Next, intercept form. If a plane touches x-axis at a comma 0 comma 0, touches y-axis at a 0 comma b comma 0, touches z-axis at 0 comma 0 comma 6, then a is called x-intercept, b is called y-intercept, c is called z-intercept. The intercept form of a plane is x by a plus y by b plus z by c is equal to 1. Next, the equation of plane parallel to ax plus by plus cz plus b equal to 0 is ax plus by plus cz plus k equal to 0. The intercepts of the plane ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0 are x-intercept minus dy, y-intercept minus dy by b, z-intercept minus d by c. Next, the angle between the planes. The major concept is the angle between planes is the angle between the normals of corresponding planes. That means the angle between a1x plus b1y plus c1z plus d1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2z plus d2 equal to 0 is the angle between the drs. Here the drs are a1, b1, c1 and a2, b2, c2. That is equal to a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2 by root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square into a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. So that means the angle between the planes a1x plus b1y plus c1z plus d1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c1z plus d2 equal to 0 is cos theta equal to a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 by root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square root of a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. If two planes are parallel, then a1 is to b1 is to c1 equal to a2 is to b2 is to c2. If the planes are perpendicular, then the angle value is 0. So that means a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 is equal to 0. Next, the equation of plane passing through x1 y1 z1 x2 y2 z2 x3 y3 z3 is the determinant of x minus x1 x2 minus x1 x3 minus x1 or is equal to 0. Next, the equation of plane passing through x1 y1 z1 and parallel to ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0 is a of x minus x1 plus b of y minus y1 plus c of z minus z1 is equal to 0. In the same way, the equation of plane passing through x1, y1, z1 and perpendicular to the plane having BC A comma B comma C A of x minus x1 plus B of y minus y1 plus C of z minus z1 is equal to 0. If a plane divides the line joining the point x1, y1, z1 and x2, y2, z2 in the ratio minus L11 is to, that means minus pi 11 is to of L11 is to L22. If the 2 points lie same side of the plane are opposite of the plane, and pi 11 into pi 22, that means L11 into L22 is positive or negative. Next, the distance between parallel planes a1x plus b1y plus c1z plus b1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2z plus d2 equal to 0 is mod d1 minus d2 by root of a square plus b square plus c square. Next, equation of xy plane is z equal to 0, yz plane is x equal to 0, xz plane is y equal to 0. Next, the equation of plane which is parallel to xy plane is z equal to z1, parallel to yz plane is x equal to x1, parallel to xz plane is y equal to y1. Next, the equation of plane bisecting the angle between planes a1x plus b1y plus c1z plus d1 equal to 0 a to x plus b to y plus c to z plus d2 equal to 0 is a1x plus b1y plus c1z plus d1 by root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square plus or minus a2x plus b2y plus c2z plus d2 by root of a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square is equal to 0. The equation of plane parallel to x-axis is a equal to 0, y-axis is b equal to 0, z-axis is c equal to 0. Next, area of triangle formed by x-axis, y-axis intersect by plane is half AB. The area of triangle formed by the plane intersecting y-axis and z-axis is half BC. The area of triangle formed by the plane intersecting x-axis and z-axis is half BC. Next, the equation of plane parallel to is in the form parallel to x-axis by plus cz equal to 0. Parallel to y-axis is ax plus cz plus b equal to 0. Parallel to z-axis is ax plus by plus b equal to 0. Equation of plane having equal intercepts is x plus y plus z is equal to a. Next, finally, the equation of plane meets coordinate axis and P comma Q comma R is the centroid of triangle ABC. Then x by A plus y by B or x by P plus y by Q and z by R is equal to 3. The last and final point, area of the triangle with vertices x1 y1 z1 x2 y2 z2 and x3 y3 z3 is delta equal to root of 1 by 4 of x1 y1 z1 x2 y2 z2 1 1 1 square x2 y2 z2 x3 y3 z3 1 1 1 plus x3 y3 z3 x1 y1 z1 1 whole or square root of 1 by 4 of mod x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 1 1 1 whole square plus y1 z1 y2 z2 y3 z3 1 1 1 plus x1 z1 x2 z2 x3 z3 1 1 1 whole square. In the next class we will discuss the problems based on the plane. Thank you.